In this video, you're going to learn how to create some basic custom animations inside CreateStudio. So you can basically animate anything using motion presets, and these are the most simple way of animating. So you can simply select, for example, slide right, and you just simply clicking on these presets, you can create really cool looking animations. But what we're going to do is show you how to create more customized animations to your own liking. So let's go and delete this one. And what I'm going to do is basically drop down these properties, and you'll be able to see we've got this little plus icon. So if I click on that, it means I can add a custom animation. So once I've done that, then I can go through and basically choose the properties that I want to animate. So let's say I want to animate the scale. I'm just going to click on scale right there. And if I just go through and adjust the start point, we can create an animation. So at this point in the timeline, I want my shape to be this size, but I want to make it a bit like 0 basically, and to kind of scale in. So let's go to settings, and I'm going to bring it down to 0. And you'll be able to see when I play this through, now we have that animation. So we could adjust the duration, just drag it out, and you've got that animation like that. And what you can also do is click on this icon, or right click on here and click on easing. And you can go through and choose a different easing type. So we've got linear, which is just like a straight line basically. And we've got power 1. These have like an easing to the beginning and end if you select both, or just to the end if you choose out. You've got an overshoot one, an elastic one, and different types of kind of presets. So let's just choose back for this example. And if I just go and play this through, you can see how it kind of comes up, goes past the size, and then comes back down to the size that we set. So just like that. Now what we can also do is, if we want to adjust some other properties with this animation, we can right click on it, go to animation properties, or just click on the settings icon as well. And let's say we want to also animate the rotation. So I'm going to select rotation, and what I'm going to do is basically rotate it maybe 90 degrees like that. And if I play this through, you can see we've got this really nice looking rotation like that. And we can maybe do 90, minus 90 would look pretty cool too. Let's have a look at this one. Okay, like that. Now I might adjust the size, make it a little bit bigger. So I'll just bring it up and I'll center it like that. And let's preview this one more time. Okay, that's looking really good. So let's say also we want to create some other animations. We can just click on the plus icon, and maybe this time we want to adjust the position. Okay, so let's go and click on position, and what I'm going to do is come to the end where I want it to end, and I'm going to just move this maybe back off the canvas like so. Okay, so let's have a look at this. Okay, cool. So maybe with this one, it's quite an abrupt kind of start. So what I could do is just adjust this easing and go with both. So it adds easing to the in and the out of the animation. So let's just preview that now. And that looks a lot better. Maybe I'd adjust the speed, make it a little bit longer. Like that, okay? So that's just a quick overview of using custom animations. You'll be able to check out some more advanced tutorials on creating advanced animations with our custom presets. One last thing that I would show you as well is the rotation point over here. So by simply changing the rotation point, right now it's rotating at the middle of the object, so you can see it rotates in like that. But I can also go through and, for example, select the bottom corner, and now when it rotates, you'll see it rotates from this point here, okay? So you can create some pretty cool looking animations just by changing up the rotation point. Like that. So that one you probably want to move it across a little bit more. And there we go, we've got a really nice looking animation. So yeah, have some fun trying that out. And yeah, go and watch some other tutorials showing you more advanced things if you want to learn more about creating custom animations.